teenagers are doing something special to bring attention to their hometown. They wrote a book that has now been published. News 12 Long Island's Elise Evans has the story.
Our town was the first town in the world to create the first credit card.
16-year-olds Hannah Mutum and Kira Grassi know all sorts of facts about their hometown of Franklin Square.
We scanned over 2,000 pictures.
The busy high school students can now add published author to their list of accomplishments.
We gave up our winter break. We gave up hanging out on the weekends with our friends. We gave up days off from school also we can just finish the book.
I just think it's really important that everyone knows how great our town is and everything that's happened here.
The idea started last year when the pair saw the Long Island titles in the Images of America series at a bookstore. Franklin Square wasn't listed. After a call to the publisher, who told them it was up to the town to write the book, they had a thought.
There's no reason why our name couldn't be on a book and that we couldn't be published authors.
When it came to documenting the changes here in Franklin Square, the teens were already volunteering with the Historical Society as part of a Girl Scouts project. So it started as a hobby, has now turned into something much bigger.
Oh, I can't say I'm surprised.
Their high school principal, Valerie Angelillo, says Hannah and Kira are role models.
They've done something really great here for our community and for our high school.
And it's just an amazing feeling to see that your hard work paid off.
In Franklin Square, Elise Evans, News 12 Long Island.
Just saying, Lee, isn't it nice to see nice kids doing good things?
Great,
really?
Yeah.
Now, the good news is the book is on store shelves now. We're told all of the proceeds will go toward completing a Franklin Square Historical Society museum in Rath Park.
And they told me they're not even history buffs. So, still ahead, Bill returns with a check on your